Hey guys, this is Jarrett again with TPM Parts. I just wanted to first of all say thank you for all the excitement about these latches. There's been a few questions such as, will it stop my seat from wiggling and jiggling? To be honest, it's going to secure your seat much better than the plastic latches that Polaris provides. So I don't know how much it'll stop your seat from wiggling and jiggling, but I'm sure it will help. As far as the other questions is, will it release the seat easier? And I am finding that they do. They release very nicely. Even from my prototype I had to the finished product. So yes, I believe you will find that they will release easier. If you do have any questions, please contact me at sales@tpmutv.com. You can also check out our website, and you should also go and check out our YouTube channel, Team Project Mayhem. Kind of check out what we do. Thank you. You guys have a good day.